Often when we think of the trucking industry in North America, we picture a truck and a trailer rolling down a beautiful stretch of double-lane highway with the sunrise spilling across the sky. That image with our modern infrastructure is certainly an accurate picture in some scenarios. In other situations, however, things can look quite different. Recently, one of our customers, a world leader in industrial equipment and heavy machinery manufacturing, established a new distribution center in Washington State to service customers in Western Canada and their remote northern communities. While this might seem like a straightforward solution, the reality is far more complicated. Moving industrial equipment can be a challenge. What made this solution difficult was the stretch of highway we needed to move the freight on. The Washington-Alberta corridor is not quite that long stretch of flat double-lane highway we mentioned earlier. Sure, it's a long stretch of highway, but it's not double-laned, it's not separated, and it's certainly not flat. On top of that, because the Washington-Alberta corridor cuts right through the Rocky Mountains, it's constantly plagued by erratic mountain weather. This causes poor driving conditions and means it's chock full of steep gradients. Its conditions can be so difficult to navigate that it typically takes a full 9-hour driving shift to cover its 500 miles. This can make delivering freight on time incredibly difficult. So, how do you deal with a situation like this? For us, the answer is simple. First, you identify your most elite professional drivers, the ones that'll uphold your legacy of safety and professionalism. Then, you need to establish a support system for those drivers, allowing you to minimize downtime and provide reliable service. Once you have your all-star crew in place, you can proceed to selecting the right solution. Because our team consists of some of the best professional drivers in the industry, we can double down on freight volume once we get through the corridor by having them pull LCV from our strategically placed yard in Calgary to a Bison location in Edmonton. From there, the load is broken back down into single trailers and sent out to the remote northern communities. This unique solution results in us moving hundreds of loads per month, with a near perfect score for on-time delivery. This is only made possible by our ability to pair elite drivers with our scalable LCV network. Visit bisontransport.com to learn more about this solution or to discover how Bison can create a custom supply chain solution for your business.